E-learning platforms. Look Out OnPassive is venturing into your territory. OnPassive is releasing the crème de la crème of e-learning platforms. The name is O-Cademy. Remember the name O-Cademy, because you will be running into O-Cademy very soon. You will like what O-Cademy will do to your business. OnPassive is the innovative, high-tech giant featuring products built for those educators looking for quality and effectiveness in higher learning. O-Cademy fits that description. O-Cademy is state-of-the-art technology fueled by artificial intelligence bordering on amazing. Educators will be totally enthralled at O-Cademy's approach to higher learning. O-Cademy will reward underpaid and highly needed and appreciated educators. Educators are the backbone of any society. OnPassive wanted to give you something that will accentuate the talent you have and make your lives easier and safer when you work. Instead of being boxed in like working in a closet, O-Cademy will have you feeling like you are working in a mansion. OnPassive will open its doors very soon. Use it and you will fall in love with it. Your territory will be the whole world. You pick who you want to be in your classes. You control your career. No more answering to any bosses. You will be your own boss. How refreshing is that? No more being exposed to inclement weather. Unruly students will no longer cause you headaches. No more high crime areas in which to work. Not with O-Cademy. O-Cademy will extend your lives and make it a joy to do what you love to do. No more school police, traffic problems, conflicts with other educators, bad cafeteria food, and other negatives. These are just some of the benefits that educators will have when they embrace O-Cademy. OnPassive and O-Cademy will be the best things that will happen in your career. The best part of it all is that students, young and old, will have the best education on the earth. Affordable higher education is not an oxymoron with O-Cademy. The torrential downpours of student debt will be an only light rain falling, just enough to get wet, not drown. Educators determine the curriculum and the cost for each student. So educators will be royally respected by O-Cademy, will retire when they want to, not forced to retire. They will truly love what they do again. O-Cademy will revitalize the feeling that they had when they graduated from their higher learning institutions. Oh, happy days! That feeling will be back. O-Cademy will make it happen. Just hold on a little bit longer, dear educators, help us on the way. OnPassive and O-Cademy to the rescue. Thanks to Mr. Ash Mafare, the creator of OnPassive. John White, United States. A Bill Must production.